This YouTube channel generates 69 million views per month, and I want that. So for the next 30 days, I'm going to be stealing his YouTube shorts to see if we can blow up our channel. So the first step is picking the niche. They post about gym and fitness-related content, and that's something I actually like in real life. But the problem is that if I just steal his YouTube shorts and re-upload them, my channel won't actually be able to get monetized and could even get taken down. So I'm going to use a method that allows me to bypass the issue and still be able to monetize my channel while copying his shorts. Alright, so we're going to start off with this account that I've actually had for a while. So I have this channel over here. It has a few hundred subscribers. I used to upload on it. It's an aged account, and I do want to make a YouTube account out of it, like a shorts channel. The reason I'm using this old account, the same one I used to upload Minecraft videos back in 2024, is because older accounts usually perform better when you start posting shorts. See, when you create a brand new channel and upload your first short, YouTube often puts you in what people call the zero-view jail. That happens because YouTube's system thinks you might be a bot. No watch history, no browsing history, nothing. So, if you're watching this at home wanting to start a shorts channel, just use your mom's account or that account you've had since middle school. And most likely when you start uploading you actually won't get zero-view jailed. So, I did some brainstorming and noticed that YouTube shorts commentary niche is really starting to blow up. And the best part about this niche is that you can basically post any type of video you want. It's super easy to make and flexible. So all that's left to do is come up with a name. I want to call it MTV or something like that, cause it's going to be gym content. And then make the profile picture and banner. I might make it a different one cause I don't know if I like this one. What if we just make it Silver Surfers? Ooh, this is going to look cool as an overlay. There we go, that actually looks lit. So now you're probably wondering, how are we going to upload the shorts without getting copyrighted and still being able to monetize my channel? You're posting a short video. No, I'm not reposting it. I'm basically taking this video and I'm reworking it. I download the original video from this guy. So I'm going to edit my own version of it. And it's fully legal and it's fully transformative. So I'm fully going to get monetized off of this type of content. You can't screen record other people's videos, but you can remake them in editing software. Basically on YouTube, if you take a video and copy it fully and upload it, then you're going to get a copyright strike and won't be able to get monetized. But if you take the same video and just add your own sign, make your own cuts, and add your own edits, then you're actually not counted as copying. So technically this is legal, and you can still get your channel monetized and start earning money. And this is what the channel looks like at the end of day 1. See you guys tomorrow for day 2. So the next day, I did the same thing, except this time, I copied a viral video from this other fitness commentary creator. His name is MediaPeak14, and low-key I knew this short had potential because, just look at it. I feel like I knew why this short went viral. So I went to the description and found the video on Instagram, made a killer script for it, and then generated a voice with 11 labs. After that, I put it all together and hit upload. Okay, so it's the start of day 3, and we currently have 37,000 views from the last 2 uploads combined. I'm very glad my shorts are getting pushed instead of getting view jailed. Anyways, it was time for me to get to work. So I started day 3 by spending the first 20 minutes just to find a good clip for the short I wanted to upload. I eventually found one using the help of one of my viewers. There's no way I can't find the video game. Should I just give up? I reverse image. Oh, you're right. Thanks Cody for the advice. Reverse image searching might be the strat. Oh, please let's go. Cody. When making a shorts channel, you need to really focus a lot of time on finding clips that you think will go viral. So that's why every day I spent lots of time on this, because I know YouTube isn't luck, and that the right strategies will get you far. After I found the clip, I spent lots of time on the script. Someone in my chat said to use ChatGPT, but honestly that's the worst thing you can do because AI is bad at making scripts and makes it sound too formal and doesn't add good storytelling. By the way, if you struggle with storytelling or scripts, I've got a course for just $8 right now. We even have competitions to win serious cash, plus new modules on making killer scripts and viral shorts. But once we hit 200 members, the price is going to $10. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Also, for those of you who want direct help, I just opened up a few spots on my one-on-one mentorship. In it, I'll personally help you start earning real money from YouTube Shorts. We'll go through your content, your analytics, your scripts, and fix everything that is holding you back. I'm only 16, and from YouTube Shorts, I make $8,000 a month, more than all of my teachers, and it's completely changed my life. If you want to learn how to do the same, join the free waitlist on the one-on-one mentorship down in the description. We drop a ton of free value in there every single day. Plus in there we're giving 5 free spots in the school community that I mentioned before. The spots for the one-on-one mentorship will fill up really fast. So if you're serious about locking in, join the waitlist before it's full. Alright, more about the course at the end of the video. But for now, let's get back into the video. After I wrote the script, I went to ElevenLabs again and generated the voice. Afterwards, I went into CapCut, edited the video, and hit upload. I'm low-key very excited and curious to see what will happen to our views in these next upcoming days. So all we can do is keep uploading and keep praying. On the start of day 4, we doubled our views and we're getting close to 100,000 views. By now my routine was locked in. Find the right clip, write a script, generate a voice, edit, and post every day, the same grind. I knew we were going to break out of that 30,000 view jail, and I was hoping it was soon. So I posted the short and hoped this was the one. Day 5 started with checking our views, and I couldn't believe what I saw. My prayers were answered. So this short right here, my second short, is currently escaping the YouTube 30,000 view jail. I told you guys so. It flatlined over here, but now it's starting to get picked up by the algorithm. This video is popping off. One of my shorts that I knew was going to break out of that 30,000 view jail was making its way to virality and was already at 60,000 views. So I wanted to do something different today since my mood was better. I downloaded this video of a guy showing off his 3-year gin transformation and started editing it. Low-key, this video was fun to edit and I enjoyed doing it. So I would say day 5 was a successful day, not just view-wise, but also my mindset was just in a peak moment and I knew that better days were coming and coming fast. So I finished the short, clicked upload, and had big hopes for day 6. For day 6, when I logged in, I was sad that our views had dropped, but then I checked the real time and realized all my views are coming from one short. It was the same short that had 60,000 views yesterday. It was climbing to 150,000 views and fast. For day 6, I didn't feel like copying a short. I just spent lots of time scrolling through the YouTube homepage, looking for something I could edit until I found a perfect video. It was a long-form video of this female athlete who was attractive, and low-key on YouTube guys always simp for girls. So I could use this for my advantage to get higher retention and trick people into staying for my short. I know nothing about women's sports, but I wanted to make a script that was good. So I took the video into Komea, not sponsored by the way, and I turned a long-form video into a transcript. After that, I used ChatGPT to simplify the transcript and then turned it into a killer script for my YouTube short. This time, I spent almost an hour just editing the short because I knew it had potential and really wanted it to blow up. It took so long, but it was worth it. I went to YouTube and then posted it. Alright, so day 7 is when everything turned around. That one short that was blowing up was now getting 100,000 views per day. Also, the post about the female athlete started blowing up as well. The engagement for it was really good, and it left the 30,000 view jail. So for day 7, I did the same thing I did for every other day. I found a clip on YouTube, made a script, used ElevenLabs to generate the voiceover, then spent some time editing, then I posted it. So you're probably wondering why I decided to take a 6-day break from tracking my progress every day. Well, actually, I was doing the same exact thing every single day, just finding clips, making a script, and editing them. I didn't want to bore you guys with the entire process, so I decided to skip to day 13. Anyways, day 13 is when my channel was actually starting to pop off, giving me 1.5 million views in the past 24 hours. And I was starting to see exponential growth in my graph. I was very happy and knew that if I continued, I could get this channel monetized in a matter of weeks. Also, one of the videos that I posted just 2 days ago was already at 400,000 views, and lots of other shorts were still getting pushed. One of my shorts that I posted recently actually got shadow banned. I was confused as to why this was happening. So instead of complaining, I locked in and started working on another short. I worked on a short that used the same strategy as the old ones that blew up. You guys know the saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's the thing with shorts. If you have a video that goes viral, I would just keep milking the same format over and over until the topic stops getting views. So that's what I did, and it worked for me. Let's skip to day 22, and you can see that my views are now 16.4 million. And it's because I found a format that worked and I stuck to it. If you guys are new to YouTube Shorts automation, just try consistently posting high-quality shorts for a whole month straight and see where that gets you. I guarantee that a few of your videos will blow up if you're really improving on each upload and working on the quality instead of just spamming a lot of shorts. So for day 22, I spent almost an hour making a YouTube short and worked hard on it, just like how I worked hard on every other short that I posted each day on this channel. You got to work hard and try to make each short as high quality as you can. That's what I did to succeed and what I believe everyone should do. Anyways, we ended the day off with 1.5 million views in the last 48 hours, and we were already very close to getting monetized on this account. Alright, so after day 22, I didn't really post as much because a lot of my videos were getting shadow banned, and I just wanted to let the other videos play out and keep getting views to see if we can get to the 10 million engaged views we needed to get monetized. I think it's been like basically exactly a month since I started this channel, and we are officially monetized. If we go to the Earn tab, we are using short feed ads, which is insane, like we're going to be printing on this channel soon. I don't have my revenue yet cause it's still processing. We're only going to see like our official revenue probably the day after tomorrow. We were actually able to get it a bit earlier, but as you know, YouTube takes a bit extra time to process monetization of your channel. But we were actually able to get this channel monetized in exactly 30 days. Even with the view delay, we didn't get any revenue yet because it takes around 2 days for YouTube to start calculating it. So let me know if you guys want to see part 2 where I show how much the channel earns me after a month of being monetized. Also guys, really quick, I just want to thank you guys cause my YouTube course just passed 100 members, and right now it's only $8 to join. And once we hit 200 members, the price is going to $10. To make it even more fun, I'm starting a cash competition for the top 3 people who make the most viral shorts in the community. So you can literally make your money back and even way more. I also just added a new module on how to make viral shorts, plus one on getting fully monetized using the YouTube livestream method. That's actually how I got tens of thousands of watch hours and monetized one of my other channels in a month. It's super easy to set up, and the whole process is automated. So if you want to learn that step by step, make sure to join while it's only